In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to delete the strip on your Wix website. So here we have actually, we have a section here, but I'm gonna go to add elements in the strip. I'll grab a strip from here. So I'll grab this one and I'll position it here. And now what if you want to delete it? So you can right click on the strip and then here you're gonna see delete. You can click on here and the strip will get deleted. Now let's press undo. You can also just simply copy now if you want, and you can paste it here, but it's gonna be pasted title, but that's fine because you can actually save this to your designs. Saves to my designs this if you want to. Also, if you just select the strip, like you select the strip and press delete on your keyboard, it's going to be deleted. Super, that's nice. Also here in elements in my designs, we save this so we can paste this again. And let's say you actually remove the text and you just want this strip but without the text, so you can just save this to your my designs. You can use it later. Now you have a couple of designs here, and then here I can delete them, or you also have the option to add and apply size theme, rename, or add to site. Of course, I'm just gonna click here and delete here, and now here basically all you have to do is just to right click, delete, or use on your keyboard. You can also just cut and then you can paste it, but it's gonna paste the title, but maybe, you know, it's up to you. You can use Command X or Command C to copy. To delete, just press delete. So yeah, I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching.